Jerry got 101 points. You need 99. It does not get any more even than that. You ready?
Ready.
All right, let's remind everyone of Jerry's answers. 25 seconds on the clock. Come on, man. Let's go, okay? Here we go. At what age does a kid start thinking he knows more than his parents?
12.
Name an animal that likes to stick his tongue out.
Zebra.
Name something you might lose in a restaurant.
Your glasses.
Tell me something you associate with bowling.
Strike.
Name something a woman needs to throw a cocktail party.
A dress.
Okay. All right, let's go, buddy. Let's see what we got. I said, at what age does a kid start thinking he knows more than his parents? You said 12. Survey said 12 was the #1 answer. I said, name an animal that likes to stick his tongue out.